48 hours, there was intense revelations in me to be shared with you all. I'll share these 5 statements. Ask all questions about these 5 statements and have Vakyartha Sadas for next 48 hours. Literally, you will get enlightened. You will manifest powers just by doing Vakyartha Sadas on these 5 statements. I will now express that 5 statements. First statement, listen. If there can be second, there is infinity. If there is a second fish, the possibility for infinite fishes is there. If there is a second cow, the possibility for infinite number of cows are there. If there is a second human being, the possibility for infinite number of human beings are there. If there is a second for anything, it is infinity. The possibility for infinity exists. This is the first statement. Second, please listen carefully. Each one of you are universe. I'll tell you, each one of you. Each one of you. I can read out the names. Banu, Sri Lakshmi Devineni, Uma Balaji, Vedaswarupananda, Dinesh Rathore. I am seeing each one of you. Listen. Each one of you are universe. This is the second statement. Understand? Ask all questions you want to ask about these 5 statements. After I finish making, now listen and internalize. Each one of you are a universe. Third statement. All of you have the seeking for something unique only you have. All of you, deep in your heart, believe there is something unique only you have. And seek that. Search for that. Try to discover that. Try to find that. This is the third statement. Listen, all of you, by your nature, by your simple existence, you are searching for what is unique in you. What makes you the ultimate unique, which nobody else has, only you have. All of you have confidence that there is something only you have, others don't have. And all of you are seeking what is that. This is the third statement. Listen. The fourth statement. What is in you that is seeking your uniqueness, that is unique, means Your consciousness is unique only for yourself. Fourth statement, your consciousness is unique only for yourself. Now, listen to the second statement. Each one of you are universe. Listen to the fourth statement. Your consciousness is unique to yourself, which no one has it. Now listen to the fifth statement. Listen to the fifth statement. This can make you enlightened just like that. Just by doing Vakyartha. Listen to this fifth statement. All of you please sit straight and bring your whole attention so that you listen to the fifth statement thoroughly. Each one of you are universes. You have your consciousness which is unique, which no one else has, only you have. The unique consciousness you have is only one, and universe you have is infinite. This infinite and this one is one and the same. The multiple multiverses, only one consciousness you have, are both one and the same. Listen to the fifth statement. Multiple universes, I should say multiverses, and the unique consciousness you alone have is one and the same. Understand? Listen intensely. This fifth statement, understand? Just this 5 statement, if you understand, you don't have death. Hey, I am Paramashiva, I am telling you. I am here to give you ultimate immortal life in a very simple way. I tell you, immortal life is not difficult. It is just small few understandings and keys I have to insert in you. So, when you are about to leave the body through natural death, those keys will open up. There is an automatic system. Just will connect with you with that higher understanding, higher existence, where you and me are one and the same. I am just doing that connection of spiritual umbilical cord now through these 5 statements, 5 understandings. See, you are a universe. Listen. If you want, quickly run and get your kids and pets. Even if they don't understand, if they get initiated, they can get enlightened. So just get your kids and pets and make them sit. All others, sincerely listen. Listen sincerely. Each one of you are a separate universe. Each one of you have unique consciousness. Listen. Each one of you are universe. You may think, then what is special about me? Why am I existing? What is the purpose of my existence? Each one of you search for your uniqueness. Whether you earn money or build body or build relationships or manifest powers, anything you do, it is your search for your uniqueness. Inside, you are programmed to search for your uniqueness, and by your very existence, you try to find your uniqueness. So, what is it that is unique in you? Actually, who is searching? That there is something in you which is searching your uniqueness. That is unique for you. That consciousness is unique for you. And this fifth statement is the most important statement. It is beyond paradoxical. It is beyond paradoxical. Listen, if you actually meditate and do Vakyartha Sadas on this statement, not only you will get enlightened, you will manifest whatever you want in the life. Because the part of your brain which is responsible for Ishwaratva, getting whatever you want, that part of the brain will be kindled by this fifth truth. Listen. The fifth truth, listen. The consciousness you have, which tries to search your uniqueness, whether you eat pizza and enjoy some taste, or you acquire money and build some identity, or you gain name and fame, anything you do, you are searching for your uniqueness. That which searches your uniqueness in you is your uniqueness. That is your consciousness. And listen to the fifth statement. Your consciousness and each one's universe is one and the same. Infinite number of universes and your unique consciousness is one and the same. This is the fifth statement. Understand? 48 hours, Paramashiva has pinned these English words, mapped one of the greatest truth through my system to be delivered to all of you. Just meditate on these 5 statements. Do Vakyartha Sadas on these 5 statements. The consciousness only you have, and the universes each one has, both are one and the same. Listen to the conclusion. Existence of Paramashiva, being of Paramashiva, identity of Paramashiva, all three are one and the same in their manifest and unmanifest states. Same way, your unique consciousness only which you have and the universes each one of you have is one and the same. Now, just sit. Don't think only you are not able to understand. Actually, if you understood all the statements I made, you have not heard it properly. If you hear it properly, you will understand it's not related to binary logic. It's cosmic logic. It's cosmologic. It's cosmic logic. Now listen. Don't worry whether you understood or not. I will make all these 5 statements and the 6th conclusion as an energy ball and throw it inside you now. That will go inside and get digested intensely. Understand? Like the medicines a child need to be given, mother will take that medicine and give her breast milk. So the child gets that medicine. That is actually, it's an Indian traditional typical way of giving medicines. Mother will be given the Ayurvedic medicines which child need to take. After the baby is born, after certain days, that mother will be given those Ayurvedic medicines, because that medicine will be digested by mother and it will be given to the child in the suitable form the child can digest. Same way, now I digested this whole great truths. I'll make them as an energy ball and put it on you so you can just digest it and internalize it. Listen. Just sit now. I'll throw these 5 truths and the 6th conclusion into your system as energy ball. Digest it. Next 48 hours, do left, right, center, Vakyartha Sadas on each of these statements. Understand each of these statements and the 6th conclusion. All the 5 statements and the 6th conclusion. Do Vakyartha Sadas on it, left, right, center. When you do Vakyartha Sadas on these statements will awaken the brain, non-mechanical parts of your brain, which is responsible for the power of Ishwaratva, manifesting whatever you want.
தருணம் தலைவா